Imagine microbes that have been dormant for over 1 million years, now whispering secrets about ancient diseases and the fragile connections between life and death. This groundbreaking study, led by a team of international scientists, has uncovered microbial DNA preserved inside mammoth remains that predate humanity by nearly 1,000 generations. But here's where it gets controversial. Some of these microbes didn't just linger after the mammoths died. They were living with them, possibly even shaping their health and survival. This revelation forces us to rethink how we study ancient ecosystems and the invisible allies or enemies of extinct species. The research, spearheaded by Benjamin Gwinnett at the Center for Paleogenetics in Stockholm, analyzed DNA from 483 mammoth specimens, with 440 of them sequenced for the first time. Among the most astonishing discoveries was the reconstruction of bacterial genomes from a steppe mammoth that roamed Earth 1.1 million years ago. These microbes, including relatives of Erysipelathrix, Actinobacillus, and Pastorella, might have been responsible for infections or even symbiotic relationships during the mammoth's lifetimes. This is the oldest confirmed case of host-associated microbial DNA ever found, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible in ancient biology. The team's meticulous methods, combining cutting-edge lab protocols, computational filters, and DNA damage analysis, allowed them to distinguish between microbes that were part of the mammoth's internal communities and those that invaded after death. By focusing on 6 recurring bacterial types, the researchers suggest these microbes evolved alongside mammoths for millennia, adapting to environmental shifts and population changes. As Tom van der Valk, a senior author on the study, put it, "Tracking microbial DNA across 1 million years is like following a trail that keeps rewriting itself, yet we've managed to piece it together." This work isn't just academic curiosity. It has direct relevance to modern conservation. One of the microbes identified is closely related to a Pastorella species that has caused fatal septicemia in African elephants. Could ancient infections have contributed to mammoth extinction? While the study avoids overreaching conclusions, it raises a provocative question. Might diseases that plagued mammoths still echo in the health challenges facing their distant relatives today? And this is the part most people miss. These microbes aren't just relics. They're windows into the coevolution of hosts and pathogens. For example, Erysipelathrix is still a threat to Arctic wildlife, as documented in Canadian veterinary studies, linking past and present in a chillingly direct way. So where does this lead us? Ancient microbiomes could redefine how we understand extinction. By comparing these microbial communities to those of living elephants, scientists might uncover clues about how diet, stress, and disease influence survival. Could ancient pathogens have played a role in mammoth population declines? If so, what does that mean for protecting elephants from emerging diseases today? The tools developed in this study could also be applied to other Ice Age species, testing whether long-term microbial partnerships were the norm in prehistoric ecosystems. As Love Delane, a professor of evolutionary genomics, notes, "We're no longer just studying mammoth DNA. We're beginning to explore the microbial worlds that lived inside them." This is a new chapter in paleobiology, one that bridges the gap between genetic history and the invisible forces that shaped life on Earth. And it invites us to ask, what other secrets lie buried in the microbial remains of extinct giants? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think these ancient microbes could hold the key to saving modern species from similar fates? Or is this just a fascinating but ultimately irrelevant footnote in history? The debate is just beginning. Like what you read? Subscribe to our newsletter for engaging articles, exclusive content, and the latest updates. Check us out on EarthSnap, a free app brought to you by Eric Rawls and Earth.com to explore the wonders of our planet and beyond.